Hey tubes, this is that personal pace lawnmower I got for free. I diagnosed it with a bad carburetor. This is the bad carburetor. What came today from eBay is a new carburetor. Run me about just under 12 bucks, and let's go install it. Came with the new carburetor. Are some new O-rings I probably won't use, and new carburetor. New carburetor here on the right. The old one is here on the left. You know, they look the same. Actually, I will use that O-ring. Goes here, so I'll have to put this O-ring in. Actually, it already had a O-ring in, so I didn't need to do that. If you ever lose this O-ring, that goes in first, followed by the retaining clip. Gives you a nice seal. I don't know where this goes, but wherever. Okay, I'm just curious to see what's inside. Yes, I am opening up a new carburetor. I'm just curious to see what, I want to see what the insides look like. Yeah, that looks like it. See if the needle, the needle in this one is metal, whereas the needle on the original one is plastic. The needle part, which is in here, let me pop it out. See, the needle here is metal with a rubber tip. The needle on the original was plastic with a rubber tip. So I'm just going to put this back together and then I'll put it on. Reinstall this carburetor. Install this carburetor. Excuse me. Now we're just going to first put on the actually no. Put the carburetor on. It goes on like this, but you see, yeah. Put the throttle first. Push it on, and you also put on the auto choke on. You can bend this a little bit. There we go. And put that on, and I'll put the airbox on. You don't need to see that. Back here, got it all back together. New carburetor. Put gas in. Put the cover and everything back on. I'm going to start it. So I got my third hand in place. Third hand in place there. Let's go give this thing a pull. Bet you it'll start. It starts, but when you engage the personal pace, it slips. So that tells me this here needs to be loosened up and pull the cable down to make the personal pace pull more. After loosening this knob up, some of you may have a bolt, but loosen it up and then you pull this this adjustment down a little bit. That makes the personal pace a little bit tighter. So let's see. Well, that was mystery solved. Okay, the things I did to this. I tried everything. The old carburetor was bad. And oil should be okay if I remember right. But I'll sharpen the blade and change the oil if it's needed. Later, tubes.